If you're a CEO or founder drowning in productivity chaos, 200 plus emails every morning, back-to-back meetings, calendar conflicts, Slack explosions, constant requests on your time, and you're spending your entire morning just managing overwhelm instead of doing actual strategic work, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you the exact type of personal AI triage system that can handle 80% of daily chaos automatically for you. Here's what most executive mornings look like. You wake up, you open your laptop, 200 plus emails are waiting, 47 Slack messages, 12 calendar requests, and 3 of which have absolutely no context. 5 quick questions that aren't quick, and it's only 7 a.m. By the time you finish triaging all of this, sorting what's urgent, what can wait, what needs a response, and what is just noise, it's 11 a.m. Half your day is gone. 0 strategic work is done. And here's the brutal truth. This is what being a CEO looks like now. You didn't build a business to spend your morning managing chaos, but that's exactly where you are. Most executives try to solve this with productivity apps, virtual assistants, or just working longer hours. None of it works long term. What if instead you built a personal AI triage system that understands your workflow, your priorities, and your communication style, and that handles 80% of this chaos automatically? We're not talking about a generic tool. This is a custom system built specifically for how you work. Here's how this type of system works at a high level. Every day, 24/7, 365, a personal AI triage system can scan your emails, Slack messages, calendar, and meeting requests, and it can categorize everything by urgency and type. It drafts responses to routine requests, it flags calendar conflicts and suggests resolutions, and it prepares briefings for meetings. It filters out the noise. Instead of opening your laptop to 200 items demanding attention, you see a clean summary of what actually needs your decision-making, a manageable number of items instead of 200 plus. Each one categorized, prioritized, with context and suggested actions. Routine questions answered, calendar optimized, Slack messages triaged. Meeting prep is done. You spend 30 to 50 minutes reviewing the summary and making decisions on what truly needs CEO-level thinking. And then you move on to actual strategic work. This is built using a highly trained AI for the intelligence layer and a knowledge base that tracks and teaches the system how you work. Now here's the important part. This isn't a plug-and-play tool. It's not a SaaS product with a monthly subscription. It's a custom system built specifically for your workflow, your priorities, and your communication patterns. That means we build it together. I help CEOs and founders build their own personal AI and automation systems through live co-building sessions. You see the logic being built, you understand how it works, and you're not handed a black box that breaks the moment your workflow changes. Some clients just want it to work. They learn enough to trust it and then let it run. Others learn to maintain it and make small tweaks. Some become skilled builders themselves and expand it in other areas. All 3 options work. The point isn't to turn you into a developer. The point is to give you back your morning so you can do CEO work again. Here's what changes when you have a system like this running. Your morning triage time goes from 3 to 4 hours to less than an hour. You reclaim 15 plus hours per week. Your response time on important requests improves because you're not buried in noise. Your stress level drops because you're not constantly context switching between emails, Slack, and calendar chaos. But here's the most important part. You get to do CEO work again, strategic planning, business development, high-level decision-making, the stuff you should actually be doing as a CEO. Now, this isn't about productivity hacks. This is about fundamentally changing how you interact with daily chaos so it doesn't consume your entire day. So here's what happens next. If you're drowning in productivity chaos right now and you want to explore building your own personal AI triage system, book a call with Sierra. That's my AI booking assistant. The number is right below this video in the description. We'll look at your specific workflow, your emails, your calendar, your Slack patterns, and your meeting load. And I'll show you exactly how this system would work for you, what it would handle automatically, what you'd still review, and how much time you would reclaim. No pitch, no pressure, just a clear picture of what's possible. Call Sierra, book a time, and let's see if this makes sense for your situation. And if you want to learn more about how systems like this actually get built, subscribe and hit the bell. The next video drops in a few days. I'll explain how to manage those never-ending meeting requests that suck up your time. See you then.